How to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger. First, you need to locate and tap on the Messenger app. Make sure that the Messenger app is up to date. Now go ahead and tap on this menu button here. It comes up like this. Then tap on the settings button here. Once tap on the setting button, you have access to this option. Then tap on privacy and safety. Then under privacy and safety, you have to scroll up, guys, until you see who can see you. You see this one that says block account. Tap on it. Once tap on block account, here are the block accounts I have on my device. Now let me unblock this first one. Tap on it. Once tap on it, it comes up like this. Then tap on unblock. Once tap on that, then that will unblock this fellow. Then alternatively, if you still have the chat on your account like this one now, let me tap on it again. Once tap on it, you see this option that says unblock. Tap on it, then tap on it again to unblock it. So that is it. You've been able to unblock someone on Facebook Messenger successfully without any delay. So if you enjoyed this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.